Alright, assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Alright, I'm a client none today, or I'm a top none because got a bachelor on board. His name is Mr. Aulia, my senior here. Very mastering about English, want to learn English here. I do very happy because this guy wanted to learn English with me here. Every single time invite him, then invite want to learn English here. Alright. I'm not telling about a lot about what skill I have to learn or what skill I have the most like I have in my mind how to learn foreign language like writing, reading, structure, writing and then speaking. I'm going to tell my experience at the time when I was 2009 time where in my life for the first my life learn English at the time I'm nothing I can imagine that I'm nothing at the time how to learn mastering English. At the time my best teacher at the time gave me suggestion want to learn English first memorizing about conversation. Example, every single day I memorize the conversation. Who are you or what are you doing and then have you been anything about that every single day I practice my front mirror every single day. Alhamdulillah today and at the time I can bring guys I was to this guy at the time 2010 got a lot of friends from got surfing at the time from United States including Russia, United Kingdom, got friends, tourists in Aceh with got surfing. My skill, I do love for speaking and then listening or writing. Sometimes I get bored. No, I don't like reading because reading makes me bored. Very taught well, but I do love speaking. Why I say like that? Because until now, since 2010 until 2020, I'm still learning English. American accent exactly. I mastering Oklahoma accent, Manchester accent, New York accent, but I do love for writing accent. Why I do love writing accent? Because this is my favorite accent rumble nowadays. When I met people from United States, I use American accent or sometimes writing accent. When my people from United Kingdom is accent. This is very awesome for me. Alright? Always mastering that. If I speak English first, joining this club very important. Why I say like that? When I got here to the community, English community or English club, you can fill on your vocabulary. Before you join this, you have to preparing in your home, anything but new vocabulary. Example. What skill most your life want to learn foreign language and then you search in that in Google and then you write it down in paper and then you can mastering that and then you read that and then listening very important. That's very awesome or very cool skill. Why I say like that? Because without listening it's nothing. So what for learn English after mastering English? Don't know what your partner said about English. It's very totally cool, right? It's very totally full. I never get about to say from day to the end of the day, only people, but also the man can speak English, including Mongolish can speak English. Why I think like that? Because I do not think like that because I have a lot of people who want to learn English because English is very totally important. Before now it's necessary to develop for the standard in the time people can speak English, master English, they're very important. From this in the end of the day, can you imagine that? So I remind one more time, you have to master one foreign language. Japan, Chinese, Mandarin, Russia, Spanish, Turkey, or Arabic, or anything else. But this is like foreign language, very important. So I remind you one more time. I suggest you one more time. You have to join English. You have to learn English because English is very important. That's what I'm saying. I have a lot of people join English. I always I always invite a lot of people who want to learn English, but it's okay. No one want to visit here. No one to going here. No one to came here. I don't worry about that. That's my time. My speaker up. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Right, any question?